how to crop an image in OpenCV using Python. How can I crop images like I've done before in PIL using OpenCV? Working example on PIL. But how I can do it on OpenCV? This is what I tried. But it doesn't work. I think I incorrectly used getrek suffix. If this is the case, please explain how I can correctly use this function.
It's very simple. Use numpy slicing.
I had this question and found another answer here, copy region of interest. If we consider 0, 0 as top left corner of image called with left to right as x direction and top to bottom as y direction. And we have x1, y1 as the top left vertex and x2, y2 as the bottom right vertex of a rectangle region within that image, then here is a comprehensive resource on numpy array indexing and slicing which can tell you more about things like cropping a part of an image. Images would be stored as a numpy array in OpenCV too. Smiley face.
Note that, image slicing is not creating a copy of the cropped image but creating a pointer to the ROI. If you are loading so many images, cropping the relevant parts of the images with slicing, then appending into a list, this might be a huge memory waste. Suppose you load n images each is 1 MP and you need only 100 by 100 region from the upper left corner. Slicing. Alternatively, you can copy the relevant part by .copy, so garbage collector will remove them. After finding out this, I realized one of the comments by user 1270710 mentioned that, but it took me quite some time to find out, i.e., debugging etc. So, I think it worth mentioning.
This code crops an image from x equals 0, y equals 0 to h equals 100, w equals 200.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.